welcome to today's video, where we will be talking about the practical applications of artificial intelligence with a particular focus on dall-e by Bard. If you haven't heard the name before, you're in for a treat, and if you have, then you know what a revolution these programs are. But what does it actually mean for the world? Let's find out. Whether you are a student needing a little help on your assignment, somebody needing to write a list, or someone who views yourself as a future writer in the times of AI when sci-fi is no longer constrained to the realms of fantasy, then Bard might be for you. But first of all, what is this sparkling set of binary digits actually capable of, and what is it? Bard is powered by Google, which already gives it some pretty impressive prestige. It is a program powered by a research large language model. For those of you who are just entering the world of tech, this might take a little explaining. Put simply, a research large language model is one which can provide the answer to a number of language-based tasks. These things include reading comprehension, common sense reasoning, and natural language inferences. This means that it could potentially do your homework for you, or more concerningly, your job. One of the most common used features is voice recognition to find out the answer to questions. You might have already witnessed this on a small scale with programs like Cortana and Siri. This same technology has the ability to provide relevant answers, insights, and actions employees can take for their own business operations. Not only this, but it can do it in over 100 languages. As you can imagine, that rules out the need for a lot of research and translator roles. Imagine the impact on big businesses when a question can be asked and immediately answered. It is also often more accurate than a human can be, so we use these to create more polished emails, develop marketing materials that are snappy, catchy, and up-to-date as possible, and give thoroughly researched reports on time and with minimal effort. It can even research the current climate to do things like writing novels with current plots and relevant themes. Basically, if you can write it or research it, Bard can do it 1,000 times faster, and in a more eloquent and appropriate way. Its understanding of the current climate means that it won't be making any of the human errors that we are so often prone to. It won't misgender people, make comments which are inappropriate, or even make a single spelling mistake. Bard is so intelligent that it can create an email which uses the relevant spelling of a country, distinguishing easily between even British and American English so that there is no confusion. Perhaps you are at home listening to this YouTube script and thinking, was this written by artificial intelligence? No, but the long and short end of it is, in a few years it could be. Maybe you are thinking that all this technology lacks something important, the human element. Well, that's not entirely true. Bard has the ability to insert humor, suggest relevant emotion, and pick up on social cues from information that is received. Put simply, this kind of AI, with a language at its heart, is going to come across more socially aware sometimes than you are. It can automatically organize content and expertise for a business, making it easier for people to find information and put that knowledge to work. It actually will speed up the entire process of the workday. It might be even better at your job than you are, and many of these companies have started implementing AI in their daily workforce tasks. If you think it sounds like the machines are taking over, you might not be wrong, but is this necessarily a bad thing? Bard still needs someone to put in the relevant information. It needs you to tell it which emails to reply to, what fields to research, and whom to send the relevant information to, at least for now. It does not necessarily have to be used without you. More, the pair of human and AI can create a more productive synergy. Currently, it makes things quicker, but at its core, it is not quite intelligent enough to work and reason around problems that it has not encountered before, unlike a human. If you have worked in a business for a long time, you know that the completion of some mundane tasks takes all day, and it's never the end of a workday, it's just the beginning of another. AI technology will eliminate these tasks and make for a more productive workforce. Bard isn't the only AI interface out there that could be useful to you. UberDuck AI is an AI voiceover generator. That means everyone from rappers to engineers can use this to simulate other people's voices. Not only can you use these on personal tracks, but you can apply them for voiceovers, video games, and other media that requires voicing. If you have a problem writing lyrics, Jarvis Lyrics is another AI program that will write the lyrics for you. But what about a more visual medium? AI still has you covered. Despite the fact that AI has only just hit its boom in the creative industry, there are countless programs already available and programs that are available no matter the medium that you're using. Midjourney is one of these AI programs. It crafts not only art, but moving pictures. That means AI created videos and AI created GIFs. Not only does this mean that AI is right off the bat more accessible to artists, it means that you can combine these programs to create full pieces of work, lyrics, music, and videos, for example. Business is about progression, as is the nature of capitalism. Bard and the other AI programs available are simply a way to speed up many of the processes we already have in place. Once they are complete, your job does not end, it simply transitions. To put it into layman's terms, you're always going to have work available because expansion is always the goal. AI is just going to quicken the pace. It is understandable that you might be concerned at the end of the day, but it doesn't seem like it's going to hinder any of the progress the humans have made thus far. But let us know where you stand in the comments. Are you scared for your job? Or excited to have the access to AI programs that will increase your productivity and take care of mundane tasks like progress reports, spreadsheets, and emails? Humans will no longer be bogged down by these details, but encouraged to be more creative, more efficient, and have easier access to information in the future. Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what your thoughts are. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss a video. Thanks and enjoy the rest of your day.